Hello! Welcome to Anna and Alfie. And guess what? We're going to do some drilling this week. We've got a fantastic project today. I love it, love it, love it. And so did my friend. She absolutely loved it. And so did I. I didn't want to give it as I loved it that much, but I did, because I'm such a lovely person. So, let's get started. So I just decided to stick to the good old-fashioned galvanised one with a rose head, and we've got some lights. How excited are you? Because I am. It looks fantastic. And batteries, pound shop batteries, of course. Why pay a fortune when you can go to the pound shop? They are great. You get a pack and they're all different ones, but I've already put them in because they are quite difficult to get in. I will put a link below. I'll remove this first. It did take me quite a long time when I first did it, and I was uffing and saying a few choice words. I won't say what words I did say. Now, the lights are going to be put through there, and as you can see, the lights at the moment have got these little tiny beads, and these little tiny beads won't go through those holes, so I will be drilling them to let them go through. Here he is. Here's the man. Hello. How you been? What doing? What doing? I come to see. You got your little bow tie on. Gorgeous boy. The easiest way is to pull out a little bit. People will say don't use your teeth, but I'm just see those, and then post it up the hole, post it up the chute. And then with the rose head, main one in the middle, and then just basically just do 10. Right, how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, we've got 10. Okay, the first one's in. Next one. It's like hook a duck, but it's like you're fishing. Yes! Result! Alfie! We got it in! Yes! Got that one in too. Right. Oh, you put me in the pose. Come on. Come here. You're going to give it mummy. You're going to drop it. You're going to drop it. Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful. I will link this. And I got these off Amazon. It's so beautiful. And you can hang it up. outside.